Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a tour on the Melrose Hill bypass and get an update as to the construction that's going on it. So as you know, Highway 2000 is heading to Mandeville. That's the highway that takes you from Kingston to Montego Bay, the east-west leg of Highway 2000, also known as the PJ Patterson Highway. And that highway is the section from Maypen to Mandeville is being built. Straight ahead on the left, you see that bridge? That is where you would go from the Melrose Hill bypass onto Highway 2000 and head towards Kingston. This is the bridge that they built. And this road is over 90% complete, the entire project. We're going to see if we can pull over and show you, get a picture of how the road looks, to give you an idea. So we're going to, persons always say we don't like to walk, so we are actually going to walk and show you the highway. See, they've blocked it off because they don't want people to use it, but that's a highway over there, and you can see this section is practically finished. It's just this section, which is the Melrose Hill bypass section, that's left. So this looks like this takes you to the bridge that we just passed, that takes you onto the highway. So let's say you're coming from Mandeville and you want to get on the highway. This would be one of the access ramps. So we're going to go through the whole alignment of the highway in a little bit, but we're just showing you. They blocked it off so you can't drive, but I guess you can walk. So let's walk down there and see what's going on. Very nice road. And that's the kind of road you're going to have from Mandeville all the way to Kingston. It's going to take 40 minutes to drive from Kingston to Mandeville when this road is finished, and it's going to be opened later this year in August. So basically it's just the Melrose Hill bypass that's left to be finished. So the highway is going to run from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout, this section. So from the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park, it's going to run beside the existing road, the Maypen bypass. And then from the Clarendon Park over to where we are now, it's going to go over the hill. So that's the road you're looking at, that section. And then when it goes over the hill, it comes back out and incorporates the Melrose Hill bypass. So the bypass is being upgraded to 4 lanes. So that's the construction that's going on now. And that's the last part. Once the bypass is finished, then the road will be opened. And this section of the highway, it was not expensive to build. It was like 88 million was the estimate. I'm not sure what the final price worked out to be. But for a road like this, that's a very small price tag. Just to give you an example, they are expanding the Northern Coastal Highway from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, and that's $120 billion dollars. And the road is already there. All they're doing is turning it from 2 lanes to 4 lanes in some sections. This road was built from scratch, going over the hill. So it definitely is worth it. They'll make that money back in no time from the toll. And then once they finish this section, they will build the highway out to St. Elizabeth, and they have already started on the Montego Bay section. That highway is going to run through Anchovy, down Long Hill, and then come back out to the Perimeter Road by Bogue. So it's basically just from Mandeville to Montego Bay. That's from Mandeville actually to probably Mount Pelier or Anchovy that's left. And they have already announced that they're going to build a bypass for Spur Tree, which will be a part of the highway. So I mean, after 2 or 3 more years, the entire road from Kingston to Montego Bay is finished. And it was originally designed to be built in one go. When the highway was being designed, I think it's like 2006, they said they wanted to build it from Kingston to Montego Bay in one go. But it worked out to be too expensive, and they built it out in pieces. But I think that was a mistake. The highway should have been built in one go, because they would have made back the money by now. But at the time, persons weren't investing that amount of money in Jamaica. But today, they will definitely invest that kind of money. Alright, so this is an update on the Melrose Hill bypass. We'll come back another day and send up the drone and get some nice footage, but we're not going to be able to do that today. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.